Hello there, how are you? I'm Afreen and welcome to this channel. So guys, Valentine Day is right on the corner and now it's important to prep your skin, and I personally believe to prep your skin before any occasion is enhance your confidence, and confidence is the key. Today in this video I will tell you 3 steps of facial with curd and some ingredients which is easily available in your own kitchen. And guys, after this facial your skin will be brighten up, glowing, your skin will feel fresh, nourished, and also it will help to brighten up your skin complexion. Isn't good, guys? So without wasting any time, just begin the video, or I can say just begin the pamper myself. So guys, as you can see, I am all set with my all ingredients. This is for first step. This is for cleansing. So I have here curd and tomato juice. So with this we are doing cleansing. This has curd plus rice flour for our second step, and this is our final and third ingredient. This is for face mask, in which I have not done this yet and I have to do this complete. In this I'm gonna add this is curd with, I have to add this honey, raw honey. Along with this honey I have to use half teaspoon of turmeric in this. As you can see, I had made a paste of all of 3. This is for, as you know, that this is for cleansing, and this is for scrubbing, and this is for our face mask. So get ready. So guys, let's start our facial at home to pamper your skin at home with all of easy ingredients. So before doing any facial, always keep in your mind that your hand should be clean before any facial or any face massage or anything. You should have to wash your hand. And the second thing is you have to tie all of your hairs so it will not distract you while doing any facial. So guys, so let's start our first step, which is cleansing. So for cleansing I'm using curd plus tomato, and I'm doing with my finger, but you should do, or if you want to do, you can do this with any cotton ball. So I'm doing this. So guys, this is curd and tomato. This smells so nice. Guys, this cleansing is also helps to reduce your suntan, and it will gives you clear skin. Moving on to our next step, which is scrub. So I have mixed curd with rice powder for my scrub with honey, along with honey of course. So I'm taking it on my finger and now I'm doing a scrub all over my skin. Also guys, this scrub will help to reduce your blackheads and whiteheads, and this will help to remove your dead skin and give you a very clear skin. But of course guys, don't believe me, do it yourself and then you will say everything what I'm saying right now. So I have done my scrubbing and I have washed my face, and after that I have I'm using this towel. Always guys, make sure to use any towel which is neat and clean. Don't use dirty towel for skin, for your face, especially when you are doing any facial at your home, because it's really important. You don't know how much dirt and dust in your towel. Instead of looking brighten up and glowing, your skin will be dull and dust, and it becomes so much pores and maybe pimples sometimes, and then you guys will say that you have seen this facial at YouTube, and while you do, you will see the bad result. Sometimes the little things by which your skin get pimple or this kind of thing, you will not understand that thing. So this is why I'm telling you this in my channel. So, some little things which you have to be careful about that. Like I told you, you have to clean your hand before doing any facial cleansing, scrubbing. You have to be tie your hairs. You have to, this is very important, you have to take a clean towel. All right guys, and make sure if this towel is, you have washed this towel right now, and before you have not used this towel, that use that only towel. So now moving on to our third step, which is face mask, and this is last step, and after that you will feel, oh my god, I can't say because still I'm start feeling that with 2 steps only. So start our third step, which is a paste of mask, face mask, and in this I have curd, turmeric powder, also honey. So apply this. This facial gives you a brighten up skin complexion, and also skin will be moisturized and nourished, and of course if you feel this thing after doing this facial, this I can say 100%. So guys, this is our third and final step, and now I can say surely that if you are doing this at your home, you will feel like, so your skin feel like so nourished, moisturized and fresh. And I would recommend you that you should have to do it right now, because all the ingredients you will find it right in your kitchen right now. You have everything. I try to make everything which you can get easily at your home. You don't have to worry about it. If you're watching this video at night, you don't have to worry. You have to go to your kitchen, grab your all ingredients and just enjoy your time. So guys, how is it? Are you like it? This is so easy, right? So guys, do not do anything. Just sit down, do your own this facial at your home. So these all ingredients are in your kitchen right now, so go and grab your all ingredient and come and sit down and play your favorite music and enjoy this time with the facial. Enjoy the pamper of yourself, and of course enjoy this lovely month. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then tell me in the comment box, and of course hit the like button, and of course do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next. Till then, take care. Bye.